I want a mentor because college is overwhelming. And so to have someone that's been through not only UNC Chapel Hill, but the Morehead-Cain program and can help guide me along the way about different SEP experiences or classes or just how to have a good, well-rounded college experience was really essential to me and really important to me. So the moment I got the email that I could have a mentor, I signed up, filled out the survey, did everything I had to do for that.
We immediately connected because Kendall said she wanted to be an attorney, and so I am an attorney. Coming from Eastern and rural North Carolina, I've always had just a passion for making sure people that came from situations that I came from, that they made it, you know what I'm saying? And what I found remarkable is that they nailed it. They paired me with the perfect person. And it's just been so rewarding.
Hassan has supported my professional and personal growth a lot through my journey at UNC. And I was really indecisive about what I wanted to study. And so as I was going through the process of figuring out I want to do business or public policy or journalism, he was really helpful in that way of guiding me to pick a major. So he's definitely kind of brought that stability and advice for how to figure out what I want to do, but also to get some sense of purpose going.
I can kind of tell what phase of her college journey she's in. She's getting more comfortable. She's getting more confident. She is tackling different subjects and issues, and I can tell she's blossoming. Because when I first met her, I just knew she was destined for greatness. And so I'm watching her come into her own and become great.
Yeah, I never thought that day of choosing a major would come, but I am applying to journalism school. So I've definitely gotten a lot of support, a lot of help. Like you said, our relationship has just kind of grown to be a lot more supportive, and having a mentor within Morehead kind of makes it the family aspect. It's easy to see the alum and see the cool things they're doing, but to have someone that you know has done it and is helping you and really standing behind you and pushing you to do great things has kind of made it go from an alumni network to a family.
I hope to look back when Kendall is a dignitary, when she's representing our nation, to say that, wow, I remember when. And I gave her some kind of positive influence, some kind of nugget of advice that she will carry throughout her whole life. So that's what I think has been the most rewarding thing.
Sweet.
That was it?
There we go.
Okay, I thought we
All right.